Hello everyone, welcome to week 6. This is a really interesting week in the relationship between a physician and a patient, right? So you're going to learn a lot about the dynamics of that relationship. And you could take it into consideration when we're talking about any clinical staff, just not particularly a physician. It's just labeled that, right? So you're going to have a lot of good information in here that you can review. Remember your Chapter 5 review questions that are due on Sunday, and then also looking ahead to next week. We do have exam 1, which will be due next week, so be sure to take your time and reviewing your review questions. Study, be prepared, and I know you'll do well. I think people are doing great in this course. You're keeping up with the review questions. You've already started working on your APA assignment. A lot of you have almost just about completed it, so I appreciate that effort. And overall, I think it's moving in the right direction. So if you run into any issues or gaps, please let me know. But so far, I'm very, very pleased with the group of students and their effort in this course. So be sure to take advantage of reviewing Chapter 5, Week 6, and then also take advantage of making sure that you're ready for the exam 1, which comes up next week. I appreciate all you're doing. Thanks so much for your effort in this course. Reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you if needed. Thanks so much.